Hello, my friends. It is release day, and let me just tell you, it's going to be a piece of cake. Oh my gosh, bad pun. I'm sorry. But I am excited about this Fold It because it literally is a piece of cake. And the fun thing about it is there's all these other options on it. So you get little sprinkles, you get these layering dies, you get this fun whipped cream or frosting for it. And let me just tell you, I'm getting hungry thinking about it. I have lots of samples to share with you. Hang tight. The next item that I have is another Tri Background Slimline. This one is called Goodluck because it is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Now, the top has little shamrocks. There's an extra shamrock here. It says Good Luck. And then down here at the bottom, it has this fun, just little stitched plaid. Now, keep in mind, all of our Tri backgrounds coordinate with the other Tri backgrounds, meaning any of the Tri Background Slimlines go with the other ones. Now, does this go with the A2? No, but it goes with all the other all the other Slimline. So we have the Merry Christmas, we have the Smile, we have the 4th of July, lots of other options. So you get to mix and match the pieces, which is so fun. And I have more samples of those to show you. Next, we have 2 different items that are by popular request. The first one, and I know it doesn't look like anything here, don't worry, I'm going to show you. It is the days of the week in dies and shadow dies. Now, these are very, very intricate, very, very tiny, perfect for calendars, planners, and things like that. Of course, we have every day of the week, and they're so adorable. They're so teeny tiny, but at the same time, they're perfect for any type of planner or anything like that. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you're definitely going to want to get these. Now, and this was a customer request, by the way. This one has been a long time in the making. I know a lot of you have been asking about this. A lot of you have been requesting, have been wanting it, and it is finally here. We have new mini icons. So technically it's called more icons, but here we go, my loves. We have 2 different dolphins. We have our lobsters, 2 lobsters. We have our pelican. We have our flower pansy. We have a regular flower. We have our cookie dog with a sweater. We have a bookworm. We have a snail. We have a fox. We have, no, I'm sorry, that's a raccoon. That's a raccoon, sorry, raccoon. We have a, triceratops. We have a T-Rex. We have a princess and a knight. How cute is that? We have a cupcake, a piece of cake with a candle. We have Cookie's face. We have the birthday cat. We have the hedgehog or the porcupine. We have the moose. We have just an envelope. We have a small pumpkin spice coffee, a candy cane. We have another birthday cupcake cat. We have a present, a candle, a cupcake. The other birthday cat in the box, in the gift box, we have the tree, the Santa, and the jingle bell. You are gonna love these. Now, let's jump into the samples. Let's jump into this one first just because it's so much fun. Now, you are gonna be able to make your own background paper. Easy peasy. Look at how cute all of these are. I absolutely love them. Look, same idea, all of them similar, but all of them 100% different. Isn't that awesome? Using our congrats and our miss you and our thanks. Those are the elegant dropout words, but look at how cute those are. Totally different. You could literally make a whole bunch of these at a time. How fun to give these as a gift to someone that doesn't make cards. Yes, it's true. There are people in this world that do not make cards. But this would be a great gift for them. Now, how cute is this one using our postage stamp shaped card with that die right here that makes it look like little stamps? You could make your own little stamps. Isn't that cute with all those cute little icons for you? This is on an A1 top fold card. Or you could add them to one of our flip-its. This is on the mini circle one, triple circle. Look how cute those little guys are. Totally fun, love it. You could also add them to the bottom of a card just as little icons, just as little decorations. Also perfect to decorate your envelopes. Also perfect to add to the back, like, oh, here's an example, Cheryl did it, adding it to the back where you sign it with your personalized stamp. So fun. Here's one Chris did with that little the little gift box right here. So fun. So definitely think about that. Now, let's look at our good luck ones, because keep in mind, even if you don't make St. Patrick's Day cards, this is perfect for graduation or for retirement. Look at how cute that is. Good luck. Hopping by to say good luck. Hoppy days are here to stay. Isn't that cute? And that is on our scalloped background. I mean, our scalloped card. Here's another cute one. Good luck. Now, just something also to notice. The good luck is separate, so you don't have to use the inside die if you don't want to, but you can. Whoops, sorry. So here's another one. Cute. I love it. Here's another one. And see, you could do the good luck differently too, right? You can mix and match it if you wanted to. This is also using the Tri Slimline Basic middle one, because that's those dots. So it's so much fun. You get to mix and match, change it up a little bit if you want to. Those fun stitched diamonds down there I really love. Now, vertical, horizontal. Choice is yours. So you can mix and match it, right? This is using the background Tri Basics, but using the good luck. Isn't that fun to totally use it just totally differently? I love it. Totally. How many totallys can you say in one sentence? Now, let's look at a piece of cake, because after this video, I'm going to go eat because I'm getting hungry. Look at how cute this is. Make a wish. Look at that yummy frosting in there. I'm telling you, you guys, it is time to eat some cake. Look at how fun this is. You can add a little candle to it and add some little chocolate strawberries on there. You dessert the best. Oh, I love that. Look at how different you can make the cake. Isn't that fun? Ooh, or a chocolate. Okay, that one is mine. I get the chocolate one. Look at how yummy that is. Oh, that one's chocolate too. Whoops, that one's chocolate too. So, oh, here's another one. This one's Kenny's favorite. Kenny's favorite is yellow cake with chocolate frosting. So this one's Ken's favorite. Look how cute that is. Ooh, what about a wedding piece? What about a wedding piece of cake? You guys, what about a wedding piece of cake? Yum, I love that. With that foil, it just completely changes everything. And then here's a cute one, just adding that little one, adding that little frosting at the top and the bottom. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So the cool thing about this, you guys, is yes, you can add the frosting at the bottom if you want to, but you don't have, oh, it looks like you don't have to. So there's different options, right? You can add the frosting at the bottom or you don't have to. So it's up to you. Are you getting hungry yet? I am. I'm going to go eat. My friends, club members, yes, you know how this all works. I know you know how this works. Club members, every single day, every single order, every single item, every times 3. Every single order, every single day, every single item. You get 15 to 20% off my entire website. No exclusions. That means die cut machines. That means totally Tiffany items. That means all of these dies. Now, what if an item is on flash sale? Flash sales are the first 24 hours. They're on our website. We offer a little incentive to get it first. And yeah, you get the discount on top of the flash sale. So you're getting double discounts. It's amazing. If you're not in our clubs, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video, because you can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Then you get the 15% discount. Then you get the freebies every couple months. Then you get club points. And if you stay in a full year, your anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website if you're in the stamp club. And it's even more if you're in some of the other clubs. So go and check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.